Blackbox AI just released the first autonomous coding agent running remotely in the cloud. Think of it like having an AI developer that never sleeps. But here's the craziest part. This agent can handle tens or even hundreds of coding tasks at once. It's pretty wild. The Blackbox remote agent has full context of your repo, and it can autonomously complete any task you assign: front-end, back-end, machine learning, anything. Blackbox integrates with over 30 IDEs, making it super easy to plug into your workflow. So essentially, it's like having a real-time coding teammate that gets work done while you focus on bigger ideas. But here's the wildest part. Developers just assign tasks and the agent works at the same time. No micromanaging needed. You get pinged only when the tasks are done. The agent can build entire apps from scratch, add new features, clean up messy code, and even explain complex code step by step. Now, it's still in the early days, but the potential here is massive. Because in theory, this same approach could completely change software development. Imagine coding where repetitive tasks happen automatically, so you can focus on creativity. With Blackbox AI, coding smarter, not harder, is closer than you think.